Hi there. Welcome to How to Tech News YouTube channel. Follow the steps below to give access to photos to Facebook on iPhone. Step 1. Open Settings app. You have to first go to your iPhone's Settings app. This app is present in the app gallery of your device. Step 2. Click on Facebook. In Settings, go to App Permissions. Now, scroll down until you find the Facebook app. Then, click on the Facebook app. Step 3. Tap on None. In the Facebook app section, you will see None on the right side of Photos option. Click on that None button. Step 4. Tap on All Photos. In the Photos section, you finally have to click on the All Photos tab. Clicking on this option will check this option and grant the permission to access it. Congratulations! You have successfully given access to photos to your Facebook app. Hope you like the video. Subscribe and like if you like the content we post.